The purpose of making this video about Brahmandpadi Shri Saptashakti Mahagranth reading is just for information. With this, we are not insulting any human, animal, birds, caste, religion, or sect. All the information given in this video is really told by Shri Maskoba Nath Maharaj Ji. So this video is only made for devotees of Nath Maharaj Ji. Then there is no need to clarify any concept to anybody. Thank you.
Please subscribe your favorite channel, Hindu Dharma Brahmandapadi Shri. Like and share our videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon button to receive notifications of our latest videos.
ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्रीनाथ मस्तोबानाथ प्रसन्न ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर महाराज उर्फ राजा भाऊनाथ प्रसन्न। ओम नमः शिवाय। जय देव जय काल भैरव, जय देव जय काल भैरव।
भद्र केदारनाथाला उत्पन्न झाले, काळ भैरवनाथ नामे प्रसिद्ध झाले।
जय देव जय काल भैरव, जय देव जय काल भैरव।
ॐ भूर्भुर्गव आदिशक्ति ब्रह्माण्डच्च दिव्यशक्तिप्राप्त्यर्थच्च परमेश्वराय नमेन गायत्रीयं कालभैरव दिव्यशक्ति नमो शिवाय।
ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री सप्तशक्ती महाग्रंथ, ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री सप्तशक्ती महापंथ। सत्य हाच धर्म, जसा खवळलेला समुद्र, जसा पूर्ण आकाश, जसा सूर्य, तसा मी।
Episode number 12. Shri Adi Tej Shakti. Her face is very calm and her face is round in shape. It has two eyes like us, but both eyes are big and round. Both her eyes are very angry, reddish, but her face is calm. They have round-shaped third eye above the nose in the middle of both the eyes. They have eyelids and eyebrows like us on both their eyes. Their nose is shaped like an eagle's beak. They have lips and mouth like us. They have teeth and tongue like us in their mouth. They have two ears, and both ears are big and erect as the ear of an ox. They have large hairs from their eyebrows on the forehead, from the forehead to the back of the head, and their hair is very long and tangled like jata. The forehead is covered with the hair. It has the same neck as us on the shoulders of Shri Aditej Shakti's female human body. And on their chest, there are two arms of a woman. They have a belly button like us. They have hands like us, but they have 14 hands on their right side, and The palm of each hand have 6 fingers. Fingernails are not as big as swords. They are as small as us. It also has 14 hands on her left side, and the palms of each hand have 5 fingers like us. Fingernails are not as big as sword, but as small as us. They have 2 legs like us. The palms of the right foot have 6 toes, and the palm of the left foot have 5 toes. The toenails of both their feet are not as big as sword, but as small as us. On their back are 2 large wings, like the wings of an eagle. They have no tail. Sri Aditej Shakti's female human body has 14 hands on the right side and 14 hands on the left side of the body. Thus, their body has a total of 28 arms, and none of them have Swayambhu weapons. Sri Tejasvi Brahmand Shakti summoned the female body of Sri Aditej Shakti in front of them and explained his work for the formation of night and day and night by stopping in the form of planets under all 15 suns in the Brahmand. All the 15 suns in the Brahmand are, in general, the shape of our eyes, that is, hexagonal balls of fire. The sun is above our heads in the atmosphere of the Brahmand. The sun is fixed in one place and it never leaves its place. The direction of the view of the sun is south. The face of the sun, the eyes are facing south. That is, the sun is looking towards the south. The sun has cones on both the west and east sides. This means that the sun is about the size of our eyes and has cones on both its west and east sides. And the sun is revolving around itself at a tremendous speed from the right, that is, from the west. Also, because it has cones on both sides, when the sun revolves around itself, looks round. But the sun is not a round shape, but a hexagonal, rough ball of fire shaped like our eyes. The sun is rotating around itself at a tremendous speed on the right side, and because of the cones on both its sides, we see the sun round from the earth, and we look down at the sun from above the earth. Then we see the bottom of the sun that is round in shape. As the sun revolves around its own right, the sun's rays are scattered down to the earth. Also, the sun's rays spread everywhere in the atmosphere. Sri Aditej Shakti has taken the form of a completely black rock planet. This planet is round in shape, like Earth, and slightly larger in the size than the sun. There is no life on this planet. This planet is below the sun. The viewing point of this planet is also in the south direction. The face of this planet, the eyes are facing south. This planet is looking in south. This planet does not revolve around itself. The planet Sri Aditej Shakti is at the bottom of the sun. At that time, the sun is completely covered at the bottom. At that time, it is midnight on the earth. Below, it is exactly 12 o'clock at night. The planet first begins to move slowly to the right of the sun, that is, to the west. Then the light begins to fall slowly on the earth below. That is, the rays of the sun begin to spread on earth. Dawn is there. When the planet is completely the west end of the sun, comes down to the stop there. Then the full light on the earth below is the intense ray of the sun. The planet stops on the west side. Then it is exactly 12 o'clock on the earth below. It takes 12 hours for this planet to come to the rest under sun in the west. The planet immediately starts moving slowly back to the sun from the west and slowly come back under the sun. When the sun's rays get stuck on the earth below, this means that the sun's rays cannot spread down to the earth. This planet is slowly moving under the sun when it starts getting dark on the earth below. When sun comes and when this planet comes to the completely halt under the sun, it is exactly 12 o'clock at midnight on earth. It takes about 12 hours for this planet to come back from the west under the sun to the bottom and stop. Thank you. In the next episode, that is number 13, we will see when the planet is at the bottom of the sun, it is exactly 12 o'clock in the middle of the night. The planet then begins to slowly move eastward towards the sun, and the sun's rays begin to spread on the earth below. Dawn begins. The planet is slowly moving eastward and comes to halt under the eastern tip of the sun. When the sun's rays are completely scattered on the earth below,
Om Srinath Maskobanath Shri Raja Bhavunath Pratyaksha Yoni Avatarat Shri Raja Bhavunathanse Guru Srinath Maskobanath दिव्यत्व एक शक्तीश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथ श्रीनाथ म्हस्कोबानाथ तिन्ही एक संकट व विचार करुनी 33 कोटी देवतांचा गुरु श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथांचा प्रत्यक्ष अरण्येश्वर दरबार भावभक्ती व येणारे त्यांचा गुरु व श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथ 1000 पदव्या घेऊन पदवीत नाव श्री राजा भाऊनाथ शिव शंभो श्री राजा रामेश्वर पृथ्वी संकट आत्मलिंग गुरु पौर्णिमा दिवशी आत्मलिंग बोलावलेली त्यांचा गुरु श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भाऊनाथेश्वर शिवशम्भो राजा रामेश्वर श्रीराजा भाऊनाथ श्रीनाथ मस्तोबानाथ आई जोगेश्वरी कान्हुबाईश्वरी श्रीकाळभैरवनाथ तात्या महाराज पुण्येश्वरी दरबार येऊनी ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिवशंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्रीराजा भाऊनाथ 33 कोटी व ब्रह्मांड पदवीचे श्रीराजा भाऊनाथ श्रीराजा भाऊनाथ श्रीराजा भाऊनाथ
Please subscribe your favorite channel, Hindu Dharma Brahmandapadi Shri. Like and share our videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon button to receive notifications of our latest videos.